Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new tech reviews and gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a selfie stick tripod and you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're actually reviewing a selfie stick tripod from the company UBeesize, and it is a pretty big box. So let's kind of wrap up with this introduction so we can actually get opening up with this box and seeing what's actually inside. But you guys can use this selfie stick to kind of like when you're filming and stuff, you can have like a kind of wider kind of angle. And then the good thing about this selfie stick is it has a tripod. Like you can use it as a tripod and actually set your phone down and have it extended up into a higher elevation. So that's a nice thing about having something like this around. But before we actually get started with this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this selfie stick tripod, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me down below. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as that just greatly informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow me on my various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business inquiries email is CrewElite@gmail.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you guys need any photo assistance with this product, you guys can do so by reaching me out with that business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you actually guys want to check out this product or get more information about this selfie stick tripod, product information and also the link to purchase this selfie stick will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, and also get more information about this product alongside to make with the link to make a purchase if you guys are interested in making a purchase. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, this box does take up a lot of space, and there's not really anything alongside the box or anything. So what we're gonna do is actually just proceed to unbox this box and see what's actually inside. All right, so let's actually open this box up on this side. What we gotta do is open up that flap. And the only thing that's actually inside this box is the selfie stick itself. So let me just pull it out. But as you guys can see with the secondary camera, there's not really a whole lot with this packaging. So let me actually pull out the selfie stick, and it looks like all our accessories and all the fun stuff that we need to utilize and use with this selfie stick is actually inside this packaging. So as you guys can see, we do get like a user manual that kind of shows you guys how to use this selfie stick tripod. This selfie stick tripod can actually go up to 67 inches. So if you guys want to have like a smaller tripod that you can use as a selfie stick, or you want to be able to swap it to a tripod, definitely take a look at this product. And then also a good thing about this selfie stick tripod is you guys can attach action cameras, DSLR cameras, and your phones to it with the threaded 1/4 inch hole that they actually included with the base of this tripod. But you guys can see on the table, we do have a few accessories in some plastic bags, so let me open this up. You guys can see they did give us like an action camera mount that you guys can use to actually use to put your action cameras onto. This is like a little adapter, so if you have an action camera, you can utilize this to actually put your action cameras onto this selfie stick. We're gonna put it off to the side, and we also have a phone holder. So this is actually what you can place your phone into and actually put your phone onto the selfie stick tripod. It is extendable. So as I pull it apart, you guys can see I can extend it and put my phone in any direction that I want to put it in. And it looks like you can only put your phone in one way with this tripod mount, or I should say this phone holder mount. But you guys can see it does extend apart, and you can put your phone in easily and slide it right out whenever you need to take it out. So now let's actually take a look at the selfie stick itself. So you guys can see it is made out of plastic and partially metal, and it's not too bad, So right now, if I wanted to, I can extend the legs just like this. I'll show you guys. I can extend the legs. I can go all the way down if I want to. I can also loosen this part up a little bit if I needed to, so I can easily move up and down just like that. So that's really nice to see. can easily collapse it and then just tighten it back up and then be able to take it on the go. I can easily extend this part right here by loosening this a little bit, so I can move it up to the top. And if I wanted to, I can actually extend this tripod or this selfie stick by just, you know, opening up one of these brackets. So like that's one of them, that's two, and so on. There's even one more level that I can do. That's three. But I'll show you guys all of this with the testing and demonstration portion of the video. So what we're gonna do now is actually move over to the testing and demonstration portion where I actually show you guys this in a much more better environment. Alright, so we're ready to actually proceed to testing out this selfie stick. So in order to actually put this phone mount onto the selfie stick, what you need to do is take your selfie stick and extrude it into that 1/4 inch thread base so that you can easily slide your phone into it and get this up and running and ready to go. So you just kind of have to turn it around a few times. But once you turn it around a few times, it should be able to fit right inside. And now, if I wanted to, I can go and take my phone now, just like this, and slide it in, just like that. And now you guys can see my phone is attached to this selfie stick tripod. So now, if I wanted to, I could face my selfie stick just like that. And now I can easily just hold up just like that. And this is actually the lowest setting that this selfie stick can go to, so you guys can see how compact this selfie stick really is. So if I wanted to, I could be like, hey guys, look at me, I'm filming myself now. If I wanted to, I can extend it another level, just like that. You guys can see how big this selfie stick really is. But yeah, it's really effective when it comes to its size. And I could also extend it another level, just like this. So now we have it very long. Look at that. I don't even know if I can fit that through the whole camera. It looks like I can, but look at that. Look how big that is. Wow. I'm like right in front of you guys now. Really nice. And if I wanted to, I can actually extend it one more level. I don't think I could fit this in the whole camera's view, because it looks like if I put it in front of the camera, I'll be hitting you guys. But yeah, look how impressive and how big this is. Oh, actually I could fit it in. Wow. Wow, that is really long. But let me actually extend it back in 2 levels. So if I wanted to, I could actually place this on the ground, put my phone back up, just like that, and have it up a couple levels. Like right now, you guys can see my phone is elevated up from the ground, and this is only 1 level up from the actual selfie stick. So if you guys needed to, you guys can easily extend this as high as possible to get higher shots. And you know, it's really nice to have something like this laying around, because you know, and not only is it a tripod, it's also a selfie stick, so you guys can use it to take pictures with family, or when you have a large gathering and stuff, you guys can use this to just get everybody in the shot and everything. Even vlogging and stuff, people use these kind of things to get a wider kind of shot of whatever they're trying to capture. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this selfie stick from the company UBeesize? Let me just say that I really like the functionality of this selfie stick. Not only is it a selfie stick, it's also a tripod that can go up to 67 inches. So if you're in the punch where you kind of like, you know, want to take pictures with family, but you also want to utilize this as a tripod, you have that functionality with this selfie stick. I did forget to show you guys, but there is a remote control with this selfie stick that you guys can use and utilize. You guys can use this remote to take pictures from afar and not have to like click on the shutter button on your phone. So that is nice that they did include a remote for you to actually utilize. But overall, I really have no complaints about this selfie stick. It's overall a really nice selfie stick, and it looks like they even included a base here. This is something I did miss, but there is a little base that you guys can actually attach lights and stuff onto, which is really nice that they actually implemented that. So this selfie stick is truly amazing. I love the fact that you can also put DSLR cameras onto it, or you can put camcorders or action cameras onto it with the threaded 1/4 inch base. But that is really nice about this tripod and selfie stick. You know, it's 2 in 1. So But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. If you guys did enjoy this video after watching it, I would really appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as that just greatly informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow me on my various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you need to work with me, or if you guys need any photo assistance with this product, you guys can do so by reaching me out through that business inquiries email. And then lastly, product information and also the link to make a purchase will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, and also get more information about this selfie stick tripod, which honestly I have really nothing negative to really say about it. But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.